My name is Maninder Singh and today I am presenting my presentation on the new strategy for the external stakeholder in the BBC Worldwide. One of the leading subscriber, this one is founded in the October 1922. We know the BBC Worldwide is used almost in all the countries, and this channel is international, which is used in all the countries. And BBC aim to build the brand around the world, and it is BBC Worldwide is a broadcasting firm. You are the external stakeholder which customers and which people are watching to the BBC Worldwide. In the BBC Worldwide, there are the two strategies. First of all, there is the latest contents. In the latest contents, we can say that due to the COVID-19, we know in all the channels was stuck, like because of the lockdown, nothing was showing anything, and most of the TV and programs are also closed. And then the BBC Worldwide is helping to getting new news and another things to learn, to getting the new news, to getting the all news that what's happening around the country. It is good to know everything on the BBC Worldwide, because in the lockdown COVID-19 everything was closed. And most of the employees are like to work. Most of the employees are not like to work in the COVID-19, and then their BBC in the BBC world, like in the digitalization, there are the Instagram, Facebook channels by which on the digital things, on the digital things on the BBC Worldwide, the peoples can see everything on the Instagram and Facebook, and they can see everything, and they can know new updates which are coming on the BBC Worldwide, because BBC Worldwide is a channel which is working 24 hours, and everyone is, if sitting in the any corner, it can be see online things on the BBC Worldwide. There are the announcements of the company's changes to some external stakeholders. The company is also bringing in the radical change, and there also customers are also targeted to the external stakeholders. The customers need they have to work according to the customers. If customers are with them, then they can gain everything in the. They have to gain the BBC Worldwide, and it can be increased during according to another channels, because if customers will like because customers are like to know everything what is happening across the world. And if they will see everything on the worldwide on the online, then it is good to know them everything. And it will the most of all the countries are involved, for example Australia, New Zealand, and another international countries. And in the digitalization, there I have already told that all the apps like for example Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube is coming, by which the customer can easily know about all the things what is happening across the world. Here are the references from which where I have taken the material. Thanks.
Okay, question. Now, good plan, good strategy. Except my question is, with the plan that you have now, how do you think your customers can be a part of it in the planning for the new strategies? How would you involve them in the new strategies?
Well, like if they will be show everything on the digital media, and on the
Go back to the question again. How do you involve them in planning for the new strategies? How do you involve them? Because these are your plans, right?
Yeah.
But before you finalize this plan,
Yeah.
you have to consult, or you get feedback from your customers. So how do you do that?
Like we can email them that about this app, that how you can get the more things on this app and how you get the knowledge. Like for example, in the due to COVID-19, everything was closed, and we can email them to the customers, and it is easy thing to know that they can saw everything on that.
So what do you expect from that email? Do you expect them to reply on that email?
Yeah.
What is that reply all about? We're
Uh,
talking about engagement
yeah,
here.
yeah.
So what do you expect to see in that email of your customers?
Like they are happy or not with the BBC Worldwide, that which instructions we are giving them about the BBC Worldwide.
I think you are referring to more of the strategies. If they're happy with the strategies of
Yeah.
the BBC World. Okay, that's fine. All right.
Thank you, ma'am.